To change the lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all we need to open a settings on our device. We can then scroll down and select wallpaper and style. From here select your lock screen, which usually is on the left, and you can just click on it like that, and then we can move to the wallpapers. It takes a bit of time to load this specific wallpaper for some reason, so we just need to wait a few seconds until that process is done. Okay, so next thing is to click on wallpapers in the top left corner of the screen, and right here you can switch between different categories of wallpapers like featured, graphical ones, colors, and wallpaper services. Additionally, you can find your gallery, which allows you to pick a custom wallpaper from your gallery as well. Choose whichever one you like, and then when you click on it, you'll be able to apply it to your lock screen wallpaper, and that is basically everything.